Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpsau terek unailor arajar katpra. Menteri jong sarkar pedeng. Ubreik mi yakatnat road transport and highway. Hakaju kapor babatru yakiwe dikitnat. Unitin Gadkari. Ulawan yukjat hakani ganong ba Shillong ban plepai ba yak Jawai Rata Chera project hakani gajilla. Yakani gajilang lapelong ha State Convention Hall Shillong. Hakabalai dan rangkatru Menteri rangba kajilla. Ukonrat kisangma nang ta Menteri rangba kajilla Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev. Menteri rangba kajilla Arunachal Pradesh Pima Khandu. Usambot Menteri rangba kajilla Meghalaya ba Preston Tensong. Usambot Menteri rangba jong kajilla Arunachal Pradesh Chauna Main. Menteri jong sarkar Meghalaya bakmi yakatnat ki kam jong kai parthai uba medba lingdo nang ta Menteri jong kani ka sarkar Meghalaya bakmi yakatnat social welfare uba Karmen Shalla waipat uday MLA jong ka Jawai constituency uba wailat miki Shalla hakani ka jelang nakalyang Menteri jong sarkar preng Nitin Gadkari ulong baka sarkar India kalapai khmat ba yakani ka than chite lamingi ban kan tia ki kampan roi habaro kilyang bat ki surok de ki benta bakham kongsan ban kan tia ya kayok kot jong ki nong snong lengba ki kam karkhana bat ka kam rap kam riang.
If you want to develop industry, the four important things are very important, that is water, transport, road and communication. Without that we don't have industry, and without industry we don't have employment potential. So for the progress of any state, road infrastructure is very important. I am very happy that after the Prime Minister Modi ji taking charge as the Prime Minister, he has taken decision to giving highest priority for Northeast. And in my ministry, particularly in the road sector, we have a lot of big projects. The first time in the history of India, we have established the Road Development Corporation NHIDCL for development of road infrastructure in Northeast. And this NHIDCL is basically responsible for now development of road, in particular in Northeast area. They have a lot of projects with them, and I also advise them that you please make the small packages and try to give more contracts to the people from that state, creating more employment potential to the youth of that area. So we are working on the same line. We want to create employment potential. We have to give them work, but at the same time, we are not going to compromise on quality. We need good quality, transparency, and corruption-free system. Today, a very important road which is going to taking up to the Assam border from Meghalaya, Jawai to Racha. It is a very important road. Now today, it is a great thing for the people of Meghalaya. The disconnect is very important. The cost of the project is 683 crores, 3 major bridges across the rivers, 34 minor bridges, 441 culverts, and one tunnel of 123 meters is there in Sonapur village. It is an important highway and it is going to reduce the time. But the most important thing is, this highway is very important for the development of industry in Meghalaya. Now the trucks and heavy vehicles coming from Guwahati can move smoothly in a record time frame to Silchar, and thus providing connectivity to all other states like Mizoram, Tripura and southwestern part of Assam. The travel time reduced from 4 hours to 2.5 hours while travelling from Jawai to Assam border, and the road is passing through coal cement producing belt, and this is very important. Particularly the cement manufacturers and coal mines are there. By this road, it is easy for government to increase the production, and that is very important, creating more jobs for the youth of this area.